Hi everyone, good morning to you all. How are you? I hope all of you are keeping fine. Today we are going to start our online English class. Usually you all sit in front of me. I stand before you. You ask me your doubts and I clear your doubts in the classroom and we all enjoy the classroom activities. But now I am standing here. You are far away from me. I don't feel good because I don't see your faces in front of me. What to do? This is the situation. You all know the seriousness of the present situation. We can do only one thing. Stay safe at home and make use of this present system of education effectively. So, whatever you learn in the online classes, that you study very well and write down the notes in your notebook very neatly. After the class, you will be given the PDF notes. You take down all the notes in your notebook very neatly without making any mistakes. For English, you need 2 books, 100 pages, 4-line books. One is for class notes and the other one is for writing copy. Now I am going to start the lesson. The name of our lesson is The First Day at School. Now I remember my first day at school. It was many years ago, but still I remember the experiences of that day. I was not at all willing to go to school. My parents forced me to go. When I reached at school, I was not ready to sit in the classroom. I cried loudly in the classroom. I saw some other children also were crying in the classroom. I wanted to go back with my parents. Anyway, it was a horrible day for me. But slowly, I lost my fear and I started loving my school. Like me, you also may have different experiences. Whatever it may be, when you think about it now, you may be feeling very funny about that. In this lesson, you are going to learn about Alima's first day at school. The writer introduces many characters in this lesson. That means many children are coming in this lesson. And also, we get to know the different places in India that they belong to. This we know when they introduce themselves. Alima is from Shillong, while Deep Singhil is from Chandigarh. Nina Fernandez is from Panaji. Salim Rizvi is from Lucknow. Priya Kamath is from Bangalore. And Mrs. Maitreyi Sen is from Calcutta. All the rest of the students also introduce themselves. Then we see the class teacher, Mrs. Sen, makes it comfortable for Alima to adjust to her new class and classmates. Then she takes out a map of India and asks the children to point out their hometown they belong to on the map. The children are very happy to learn the new things in this manner. This is the brief summary of this paragraph. Now I am going to read the lesson. You all listen carefully. The first day at school. Alima was nervous. It was her first day at Vidya Mandir. Priya Kamath was in the same class as her. She had promised to introduce Alima to everyone, but Alima could not see her anywhere. Then Priya came running up the stairs. "Sorry, I'm late," she panted. "I didn't wake up on time today." She grabbed Alima by the hand and pulled her into a classroom nearby. The bell rang and Mrs. Sen the class teacher walked in. "Good morning, children," she said. "Good morning, teacher," said Priya. "This is Alima Momin, our new classmate." "Hello, Alima," said Mrs. Sen kindly. "Good morning," said Alima, smiling shyly. "Let Alima sit next to you, Priya," said Mrs. Sen. Soon, all the students sat in their places. Now, let's see the new words of this paragraph. Which are the new words? Nervous, introduce, grabbed, panted, nearby. Nervous. Spell the word nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous. Introduce. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E. Introduce. Grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Grabbed. Panted. P-A-N-T-E-D. Panted. Nearby. N-E-A-R-B-Y. Nearby. So the new words are nervous, introduce, grabbed, panted, nearby. Now let's study the meanings of these words. Nervous. What's the meaning of this word nervous? A little worried or scared. In the lesson you heard, Alima was nervous. She was new to the school. That's why she was a little worried. Now let's use this word in a sentence. Alima was nervous. He is a nervous person. I will give you my example. You know, I'm not familiar with this system of online teaching. So, when I faced the camera for the first time, I was nervous. I was a little worried, or I was scared. Okay, have you understood the meaning? Nervous, a little worried, or scared. Next, introduce. What's the meaning of this word introduce? Help someone to meet each other by telling the name of the other person. I would like to introduce myself. I am Babida PK. I am from Balusheri. Okay, we introduce like this. Grabbed. What's the meaning of this word grabbed? Grabbed, caught roughly. He grabbed my sweets. He grabbed me on my collar. Grabbed, caught roughly. Panted. What's the meaning of this word panted? Breathed quickly. She ran up the stairs, so she panted heavily. Priya came late, so she ran up the stairs, so she panted heavily. The boy ran fast, so he panted. What's the meaning of this word panted? Breathed quickly. Nearby. Close by. Nearby meaning close by. I went to the nearby shop. I went to the nearby classroom to meet my friend. When we travel, we search in Google to get some information regarding the nearby places. I went to the nearby market. Nearby, what's the meaning? Close by. Now, let's study the verb forms. Present tense, past tense, and past participle forms of the verb. In first standard, you studied present tense and past tense forms of the verb. But this year, in second standard, you have to study present tense, past tense, and past participle forms of the verb. A verb has three forms. Easily you say V1, V2 and V3. Which are the verbs given here? Promise, introduce, run, grab, sit, pull and say. Let's see the different forms. Promise, promised, promised. Introduce, introduced, introduced. Run, ran, run. Grab, grabbed, grabbed. Sit, sat, sat. Pull, pulled, pulled. Say, said, said. Now, let's discuss the opposite words. First, last. Nervous, relaxed. Late, early. Nearby, far away. New, old. Kind, unkind. Shy, bold. Once again. First, last. Nervous, relaxed. Late, early. Nearby, far away. New, old. Kind, unkind. Shy, bold. Now, you are familiar with the new words, word meanings, verb forms and opposites. I would like to explain the paragraph now. Alima was nervous. You studied the meaning, nervous, a bit worried. Alima was a bit worried. She was scared. Why? It was her first day at Vidya Mandir. She was new to the school. That's why she was nervous. Priya Kamath was in the same class as her. She had promised to introduce Alima to everyone. But Alima could not see her anywhere. Who is Alima's classmate? Priya Kamath is her classmate. What did Priya Kamath promise Alima to do? Priya Kamath promised Alima to introduce her to everyone. But Alima could not see her anywhere. Then Priya came running up the stairs. She was running. Why? Why was she running? Sorry, I'm late, she panted. Yes, that's the reason. She was late. She was running. That's why she panted. She breathed heavily. She breathed quickly. I didn't wake up on time today. Why was she late? Because she didn't wake up on time that day. She grabbed Alima by the hand and pulled her into a classroom nearby. Priya took Alima to the nearby classroom. The bell rang and Mrs. Sen, the class teacher, walked in. Suddenly the bell rang and Mrs. Sen, the class teacher, walked in. Who is the class teacher? Mrs. Sen. Good morning, children, she said. Yes, the teacher wished her children. Good morning, teacher, said Priya. This is Alima Momin, our new classmate. They introduced their friend Alima to the teacher. Hello, Alima, said Mrs. Sen kindly. Good morning, said Alima, smiling shyly. She was nervous, so she said good morning, smiling shyly. Let Alima sit next to you, Priya, said Mrs. Sen. Her class teacher, Mrs. Sen, asked Alima to sit near to Priya because Alima knew Priya. So she would not be so nervous on that day. Soon all the students sat in their places. Now I hope all of you understood this paragraph. Now I would like to ask you some simple questions based on this paragraph. The first question, what was the name of the new student? Where was she from? When I ask you the question, you also say the answers from there in your place, okay? what was the name of the new student? What was the name of this new student? The new student was Alima Momin. Where was she from? She was from Shillong. Question 2. Why was Priya Kamath late to school? Why was she late? She was late because she woke up late on that day. Question 3. Why was Alima nervous? She was nervous because she was new to the school. It was her first day at Vidya Mandir. Question 4. What did Priya promise to do for Alima? Priya promised to introduce Alima to everyone. Question 5. Did Priya come in a hurry? Why? Yes, Priya came in a hurry. Why? Because she was late. Question 6. Why did Mrs. Sen ask Alima to sit near to Priya? Mrs. Sen asked Alima to sit near to Priya because Alima knew Priya so that she would not be so nervous on that day. Dear children, I hope you understood today's class. So study very well, read loudly at home, and take down the notes very carefully in your notebook. When you write in the notebook, you have to follow the proper order. Okay, look at the board. You can see the notebook page. This is the top margin. You needn't write on the margin. Just below the margin, you can see the 4 lines. There, you write Lesson 1. Again, you write the title of the lesson, The First Day at School. The first, F capital. The first day, D capital. Okay, you have to write capital letter because these are the keywords. The first day at school. These are the keywords. First day, school. These are the keywords. We have to begin these keywords with the capital letter. And we begin with the capital letter T. Okay, so take care of that. Then you have to write the subheading, new words. New words. Then you can write new words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Then you write meanings and sentences. Okay, you are familiar with this system. Follow that. Write neatly. Okay, study very well. Okay, thank you.